What do you do with your tax refund before you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy here in Utah? You have to spend it. If you don't spend it, the trustee will take it and use it to pay your creditors. So what happens is you want to file your taxes, get your tax refund, spend the money, and then go bankrupt. Now when you spend the money, there are some things you can spend the money on and some things you shouldn't. The two bad things to spend your tax refund are simply mom and dad. Do not pay an insider back prior to filing bankruptcy. Be careful of paying any creditor back before filing bankruptcy. So mom and dad, and new toys. Don't go out and buy a new boat or dirt bike or ATV. Righteous expenses of the tax refund money fall down to washer, dryer, fridge, freezer, stove, food storage, clothing, vehicle repairs, and attorney's fees. So let's go through it again. Boring household appliances. Washer, dryer, fridge, freezer, stove. Did you see a computer on there? No. I get asked all the time if you can buy a new computer with the tax refund, and I'd like to say I can protect it. I think I can protect it, but I'm just not sure, and I'm not comfortable spending the money on a computer. Can you buy a new TV? No. If it's fun, you generally cannot use your tax refund to buy that. Now, food storage. If you had a $5,000 tax refund and you received the money today, you could go to Costco or Sam's Club tonight, drop the entire thing on food storage, buy a new freezer, stock it with beef. We could file bankruptcy tomorrow. The bankruptcy trustee would ask you, what did you do with your refund? And you would tell him, and he'd realize that we had taken a non-exempt asset, namely your refund money, and converted it into exempt items, namely food storage or clothing. You can buy clothing for your kids. That's always a safe expense, or clothing for yourself prior to filing bankruptcy. The last thing to do with your tax refund is to pay me. There's never going to be a law that will stop an attorney from getting paid. So wait until you get your tax refund, spend it on things you actually need, pay your attorney, and then file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Now there are a lot of pitfalls on what you can spend the money on, like buying a computer, like buying a new TV. That's why when you do have that refund money, it's a good idea to have your attorney on text message or speed dial, so you can send him a quick message and say, hey, would it be appropriate to pay off the loan on our tires? Or hey, would it be appropriate to pay for my daughter's ballerina lessons? It's a good attorney question. But if you want to be safe, boring household appliances, food storage, clothing, and paying your lawyer. If you have any other questions, give us a call.